I figured out the perfect settings and the perfect strategy to trade with Lux Algo. So if you want to know, watch to the end because I'm going to go over the strategy that's allowed me to be 90% accurate in the markets. So welcome to my channel. My name is Keenan Butler. I'm the creator of Wall Street Moses. And what I am dedicated to do with this channel is to help traders become efficient, knowledgeable, and be able to trade the Forex markets and trade the markets in general in a very simple way. So if you're looking to be more proficient in trading, be more profitable when it comes to trading, then like, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you hit the notifications bell so that way anytime I post new content that you're right in line, able to see it as soon as it comes out. That way you can take advantage of the information. So let's get right into it. Recently I got in Lux Algo, and I'm the type of trader who likes to trade with just my knowledge for markets, usually not do indicators, but I understand that indicators can make things really simple for people. And I was searching to find the best indicators to put onto a chart and be able to teach from, to help people that may not have the knowledge that I have trade, or even people that have a lot of trading knowledge, to make things easier so they don't have to sit on the charts, marking up charts all day, be able to trade and live more of the lifestyle that they want to live. The journey of me trading and looking at Lux Algo, I discovered a strategy that will absolutely make things a whole lot easier for you and be able to catch the best trades that Lux Algo can provide. So let's show you how to set it up first of all before you get into the trade. Before you get into actually set up Lux Algo, you want to change your chart settings. You want to change the body to where you have black on the left, gray on the right, and you want to disable your borders. Then on the wicks, you want to have green and you want to have red. It doesn't have to be exactly this green and red. It can just be regular green and red. So now that you have that set up, what you want to do is go to indicators, type in Lux, and you'll see Lux Algo Premium. What that's going to load is the whole setup here where you see the strong, the buys, the candle colors, and everything like that. Then when you get onto the settings, you want to do it in a certain way. You want to have your signal mode as confirmation. Then you want to have sentinel sensitivities on 10. You don't want to use the support resistance or take profit mode. And you want to enable both the trend tracer and the trend catcher. That's what you want to do. Also for candle coloring, you want it also set for confirmation gradient. That way you get a little bit more price action momentum visually displayed on your candles, and put none for candle mode. So now you'll have your Lux Algo looking like this on the top side. The other thing you want to do is type in Lux again, and you want to type in Nadara. And you'll see here, you'll see Nadara Watson estimator. And if we put that in, what you'll see is this line pop up right here, this colored line. And it'll show momentum for the markets. The last thing you want to do is put in the Lux Algo Premium Oscillator. So we'll just type in Lux again. You probably want to favorite these. Lux Algo Premium Oscillator. Go to the settings on that. You want to change the length to 13 and then change the type, because it's going to look like this at first. You want to change it to classic. So now you can get in and then also put in the dynamic overbought, oversold levels. So that way now your chart is set up the exact way mine is set up. So here is the strategy. Of course, you also have on this window here, you'll have the trend, and then you'll have other stats when it comes to the market. All I'm going to focus on is the multi-time frame trend and the state of the market. So you see the state of the market is trending. So now here's the strategy. You want to trade in trend and trade in a trending market. It tells you that right away. Then the way you want to trade is you want to trade using market structure methods. So what I mean by that with market structure is on uptrends, you're looking for lower lows and lower highs. For downtrends, you're looking for higher lows and higher highs. I mean, for uptrends, you're looking for higher lows and higher highs. Downtrend, you're looking for lower lows and lower highs. So with that in mind, all you have to do is basically wait for the markets to make an extension down, then come up to create a pullback, and this is how you know when to start to sell. When you see the pullback on the oscillator reach into the overbought or oversold levels. So you see where it starts to turn red right around here, and the market gets to that level. You don't start to sell right when that happens. What you wait on is either the oscillator to start going to a darker green for selling or a darker red for buying. And then you can take a trade when that happens, or you can wait a little bit longer and wait for your next strong sell or strong signal to begin again. Once that happens, you can take a trade, and this is where you'll take and catch your bigger moves in the market. With this strategy, you may not catch every single move that happens, but the moves you do decide to catch, they'll be great sustainable moves. So like even with this one here, this was a great one as well. You would have took it and you would have been in this level of profit. So that's all it is. You wait for trend, you trade within the trend, and then you wait for the Lux Oscillator Premium to get into the overbought, oversold levels. When the oscillator or the candles change color and give you that signal, you take the sell from there. And you only take the sales that reach into the overbought, oversold levels with the oscillator. And the reason I like it because Lux Algo does all the work. Normal oscillators that go oversold normally are a lot of fake signals, but Lux Algo does a great job of only giving you real overbought and oversold levels, which by themselves create a lot of value, make it worth the subscription. So if you want to get Lux Algo, I'll have to make a subscription to get it, but definitely trade the strategy.